Hi there and welcome. Today I am showing you how to join your granny squares with a zigzag join. It is one of my favorites. It's super simple and it adds a fun decorative texture to projects. Before you grab your squares and hook, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a stitch. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to start with the two right sides facing us. We don't want the back sides. I want the right sides to face out for my project. Start a slip stitch, grab your hook, and I'm gonna turn it this way. When inserting your hook into the granny squares, we always wanna come from the right side back. So when I'm working on this square, I'm always going to work from this side back. When I'm coming in from this square, I want to work this side back. And our working yarn is always going to be down the center of the two squares. So I'm going to attach my yarn to a granny square. And now I've already worked in this corner. And we are going to go from the right side of the granny square, or the top side, the pretty side, I guess, and yarn over. And it's just a slip stitch, so pull through. And then we'll come back over to this side. We'll work in this stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. And then we go back to the other side, or the other granny square, into the next stitch. And it's a slip stitch, so yarn over, pull through, and pull through. And you'll just keep going back and forth into each stitch and slip stitching. Again, you're going from the right side of the square, yarn over, slip stitch, and when you work into this square, you'll come in from this side, yarn over, and pull through both loops. And it creates a really pretty zigzag. I also like this, if you're not wanting something this chunky, you can turn it over. Oops, bumped my camera. You can turn it over and it's like a thinner zigzag, kind of also cool. So depending on whatever look you're wanting, but I just really like this stitch. Just adds a nice decorative pattern. I'm gonna keep working, and when I get to the corner, I will show you how to finish. I just worked into the last stitch of each square. Now I'm ready for the corners. So I just finished going into this square. So now I'm gonna come back over here and again, go from the top down, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through. And go from top down, yarn over, and slip stitch. Now when joining more squares, since I just finished on this side, I want to zigzag over to this corner. So just insert into the corner and slip stitch, and then you'll grab the other side, insert into the corner, and slip stitch maybe. Slip stitch. And then you'll just work into each stitch after that. Oops, I didn't get through two loops. And it will look like that. If you want this to not wiggle around so much, you can always grab some pins and pin them together. So they stay together a little bit better as you're working. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can keep stitching along with me every week. See you soon and have a great day from Jo Kay Crochet.